Or catch your cat just zooming across the room like they saw a ghost? Or staring into a corner like they're plotting something you'll never understand? They're not haunted. They're just bored out of their little feline minds. Cats might look chill, but deep down, they're wired to hunt, pounce, chase, and explore. And when they don't get that stimulation, they turn your living room into a jungle gym at 3 a.m. That's why I got the Magic Motion Ball, and honestly, I should have done it way sooner. This thing rolls around on its own, switches direction randomly, keeps moving in ways your cat can't predict. It triggers their natural instincts without you lifting a finger. It's like giving them a mental workout and a game of tag all in one. And here's the fun part. The first 5 people who order might get a second one totally free. No code, no warning, just a surprise bonus if you're lucky. So if your cat's got that wild energy and your furniture's been suffering, tap the link in my bio, grab the Magic Motion Ball, and let them unleash the chaos on that instead of your couch.